Hey Monday lovers, today's video is going to be a little short tutorial on how to draw some cute ghosts. So basically you just draw this like semi-oval kind of thing and then a squiggly line on the bottom and then dots for the eyes. And then you can just kind of make it your own thing, like you can add a mask if you want, just like whatever kind of doodles you want. One really cute way to give it a personality is to just draw some glasses, sunglasses, circle glasses. You can kind of tell like what kind of personality each of these ghosts have just by like the glasses choice that I'm using. You can also add some small details, like one of my favorite ways to do a ghost is to draw like a little monocle and a top hat like the fancy ghost. Another way is you can make it like another costume, like a superhero. There's so many different ways you could do a superhero. You could also do like fairy wings or a magician or like a character that you really like, or like a more specific superhero like Batman. You can also give it like little tiny hats. For this one I did like a cat hat, and then you can like give it a more like cat like face, as you can see here. So it's like a little cat ghost or a dog ghost, as I'm drawing, like with the dog ears and the little tiny dot on the eye and like the mouth. So there's just like a ton of ways that you can make these ghosts like really cute and have like different personality. If you want to do something a little bit more simple, then you can try out just a bunch of different expressions. Expressions are super easy. It's just a bunch of lines and it looks super cute and super just like nice. And it's literally so simple. And then here I kind of messed up what I was doing, so I kind of just like tried to do something out of it. I made kind of backpack. It's not amazing, but like it's so like you can do whatever you want with these ghosts. I think the important aspects are the eyes, and it's also like how you place the eyes. Like on that one it's kind of to the left and it kind of looks like it's looking sideways. And a fun little extra, you can kind of color them in, and that would just add some color to your piece. And if you want, you could also mix and match. You get some really cute variety out of mix and matching, as you will see in more examples. So here is just an overview coming up, and it's just like, as you can see, all the different things that I drew. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I make videos on stationery, calligraphy, and art every Monday. And check the description box for more videos to watch while you wait for next week's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below on what your favorite ghost was and what you like about ghosts. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to have a happy Monday. Bye-bye!